Today we're going to talk about CraveCart. CraveCart is an AI agent that I built to help me buy my groceries. I hate going to the supermarket. I love cooking at home. I want to find a YouTube video, tell CraveCart, hey, this is a YouTube video that I want to basically follow for the recipe, find out what the ingredients are, and buy them for me. This is what CraveCart does. So I tell it what I want it to cook, and it goes and gathers everything that I need to basically buy from the supermarket using YouTube videos and recipes. And then it goes and buys it for me through Kroger. Kroger is basically a supermarket chain across the United States of America. I can go basically and pick up the groceries that I bought online, or basically get them delivered to me. So it's a great service. And here's how it works. I basically sign in into my account, and once I'm signed in, it will tell me to connect my Kroger account. So as I told you, Kroger is basically a supermarket that I can buy stuff online through their website. So I just connected to Kroger. I'm just doing the authentication. I'm just giving them the ability to manipulate my cart. And once that's done, I can basically start talking with the agent. So let's go to the agent and let's try a prompt. So one of the prompts that you can try is basically, hey, I want you to find a good chicken Alfredo video and buy the groceries for me. So I just did that. At this moment, it's searching for videos on YouTube. It found 5 videos that could be useful, and it basically found one top result. It gave me the top result that I can open the link and watch the video. And it has a transcript available, meaning the AI can now extract all the recipe ingredients for this recipe. So searching Kroger for all the recipe ingredients that we need, and once that's done, it's gonna add the stuff to my cart. Now see, my cart is currently empty, and in a second, it's gonna add the items to my cart. And there you go. It's calling the tool through the MCP, and it just told me, hey, I bought you 6 items through Kroger. It's gonna cost you $25, and I used the source from the YouTube transcript to know what I added. And here's what I added. And if I go to my Kroger account and refresh my cart, so let's go to Kroger and refresh my cart. Sign in first. I just signed in, and I'm going to my cart, and surprise, surprise, everything that I need for that meal is in my cart already. Butter, cream, mushrooms, boneless chicken, parsley, yellow onions, and a bunch of other stuff. So it basically added the stuff that I need to make that recipe at home. It's a great addition. And all I need to do now is basically just check out at pickup. Here's how much I'm gonna um, pay there, and I'm just gonna go pick the groceries up. So here's how the whole thing works. You have the user browser, which is connected to Gemini, and Gemini is connected to a bunch of stuff, YouTube MCP and the Kroger MCP. Both of these give it what it needs to do everything that you just saw. And we also used Firebase for authentication, Gemini API for the LLM, the YouTube data API for the YouTube MCP. Everything that you see here, we basically built from zero. So we went from zero to agent across a very big stack of technologies to get that result that you just saw, and we're very proud of our agent. So if you want to check it out, we're going to drop the link so you can check it out and try it yourself.